Amid the rise of Bitcoin, the largest by market altcoin, the largest market capitalization, Ethereum is trading at $1,808.42. Adding 5% and the 5% in the past 24 hours, reports cryptonews. In addition to all the Ether, was able to strengthen against its biggest rival Bitcoin by about 0.46% over the past day. Looking at the extended time frame, it becomes obvious that the altcoin is doing well because over the past week, Ethereum has gained 26%. Month is on the upside of more than 7 renowned crypto trader entrepreneurs. Analyst Michael Van Depot believes that in the altcoin price could test new highs, in his opinion now in the nearest resistance. FUR is at 1,850. However, it is very likely that before the spurt up and into the Ether will drop to the level of 1.680 to 1.725, and then it will go up to 2.000. It's important to add that smart controls are monitoring the movement of large Ether holders and thinks the cryptobutherin will rise sharply. About this is written by the CryptoSmart controller, is the same person who predicted Bitcoin's fall at 18. Now he's talking about Ether's rise. Ethereum in correction is ready to rise. Bitcoin effect so much that it hit a 6-month low, just 3% below my main buy zone. Not in the circumstances that I expected this to happen, but there is no chance that I will miss the coming monstrous Ethereum contract rally. We'll consider on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Here's his explanation of the Bitcoin effect is correcting downward and has almost touched FIBO support 0618, this level called the bounce point. Also, the trader looks at the movement of the top players. He has studied the data of the sentiments. According to them, in the 22nd year, the sharks have accumulated 3.6 million Ether for 6.1 billion, is a big number themselves. Whales in the 22nd got rid of 9 million Ether. Finally, Elliott Waves also for crypto. Waves growth reveals behavior. General audience here is ready, the ground to move up. Also noted that in February Axie Infinity lost 5% of its price. Continued decline, number of deals large, or its price volatility suggests that the bears will maintain a firm control of the situation. Axie Infinity is among the top 10 most gameplay projects around the world, and yet right now it's going through not its best time in the last 30 days. The activity of major XS holders has declined significantly, which evidence of a further decline the price of the asset on this platform. The number of whale transactions registered in the network Axie Infinity 1st of February fell by almost 80% of previous XS price landings, were often accompanied by a similar decline in the volume of large transactions on January 31. January the sanction registered 66 X transactions of more than $100,000 on March 14. The number made a capello to 14 XS price fluctuations, also became less intense. Coefficient of volatility measurements at intervals of 4 weeks at the end of February reached a 3-month low as of at 0.12 on March 14. Price stagnation may provoke short-term holders to sell tokens to predict possible price movement in the coming weeks. We turn to the market chart. Placed by token holders on leading exchanges and displays the key support and resistance points. The current decline most likely becomes at $6.5, and there's a wall of 500,000 buy orders. 137,000 accesses. If that level doesn't work out, we're looking at the prospect of on the horizon is the prospect of a further drop to 5 if the trend reverses to an uptrend. The key point of resistance will be the level of 9.72 will be the key resistance point. 90,000, almost 1.5 million. Well, if XS manages to overcome and the next target is $12. Holder have already placed 1.3 million tokens to sell at that price. At this, I say goodbye to you. Subscribe to channel and like.